Hello, my dear students. Today I will teach parabola. Already I have given you in my last class that parabola is a conic where if you take any point on the conic, it maintains same distance from focus and directrix, or parabola is a conic whose eccentricity equal to 1. What do you mean by eccentricity? Already I have told you in my last class. Eccentricity means if the P be any point on the curve, meaning on the parabola, if P be any point on the curve of parabola, there is a fixed point known as focus, there is a fixed line known as directrix. So PF by PM is a constant ratio that is defined as eccentricity, and for parabola eccentricity E equal to small eccentricity is denoted by small letter E. E has three values. If E equal to 1, the conic is a parabola. If E is less than 1, the conic is an ellipse. If E is greater than 1, the conic is a hyperbola. So E equal to 1 means PF by PM equal to 1 or PF equal to PM. That means if you take any point on the curve, it is maintained same distance from focus and directrix. So in this way we define parabola. So this is definition. A parabola is a conic for which eccentricity E equal to 1. Also you can write a parabola is the locus of a point which moves in the plane such that it maintains the same distance from focus. Focus means a fixed point, and directrix, a fixed line. I just explained that in figure. This is parabola. So E here, E equal to PF by PM, that is 1. So if you take a point Q here, so same thing as so that is QF by QN, same thing one. So it is the locus of a point. These are the points, so that these are the points so that the point maintains same distance from focus and directrix. PF by PM equal to eccentricity, and that 1 means PF equal to PM. This implies PF equal to PM, and this implies QF equal to QN. Alright. So therefore if you take any point on the curve, it maintains same distance from focus and directrix. So obviously when the point comes here, this distance equal to this distance. This is known as vertex, this is directrix, this is focus. I am coming in detail. So next is, after definition, know a parabola. My next point is 1. Know a parabola. Here D dash, this is directrix, a fixed line. F focus, a fixed point. B the midpoint of, this is distance between, actually this should be, in the figure it is seen to be somehow towards, so this is D dash, this is B dash. So this distance equal this distance. So that means, so B is known as vertex. Alright. So V dash V F, this is known as axis of parabola, and L dash is known as latus rectum of parabola. You know the parabola, this B is vertex, F is focus, D dash is directrix, and this is known as latus rectum. The straight line intersecting axis at right angles and intercepted between the curves is known as latus rectum, and L dash is defined as length of latus rectum. This line is latus rectum, whole line. You can say this line extended, this is latus rectum, but L dash is length of latus rectum. Alright. So now come to equation. I think you are clear. So now the parabola may be inverted upwards, axis will be, here axis will be x axis, sometimes axis will be x axis, sometimes axis will be y axis, sometimes axis will be parallel to x axis, sometimes axis will be parallel to y axis. These 4 forms are there in your course. So 2, equation of a parabola. A vertex is 0 0, focus is A0, this L dash, and this your x axis. Here vertex is 0 0, focus F is A0, axis that is V dash V F is your x axis. So then equation of parabola will be y square equal to 4ax. This is equation of the parabola. Then latus rectum that is L dash, equation of latus rectum will be, now this is a line parallel to, actually this is x axis, means here will be line that is like this, that is y axis actually, like this. So it is parallel to y axis, so its equation will be x equal to a, because this is a, x equal to a. So what are the coordinates of L? Solving y square equal to 4x. So this is a, you solve, what is equation of parabola? Y square equal to 4ax. This is equation of the curve. Then equation is x equal to a. This is the point of intersection. X equal to a means, so in this place a. So 4a square, that means implies y will be plus minus 2a. This is a, therefore a 2a, and this is a minus 2a. So length will be, so equation letter x equal to a. So endpoints L is a to a, L dash is a minus 2a. Length of LR, that is LL dash, this is 4a. Length is 4a. Alright. But how you got this? Actually, that is, you should know, you should understand, if P be any point here, so PF equal to Pm. P is xy. So PF equal to Pm. So this implies PF square equal to Pm square. PF square means this distance, x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, x minus a whole square, y minus, this Pm. Actually this is a means b dash is also minus a0, because this length is a. So your this one, if you draw a perpendicular, this is x, this is y, so this is x plus a. So this is Pm is x plus a whole square. If you solve this, you get y square equal to 4x. Actually, what do you mean by equation of a locus? The relation which is true for any point on the curve is known as equation of the curve. So you took any point p x y b, any point on the curve. So what is the condition satisfied here? Pf equal to Pm. You find this is xy means this is origin, this is x, this is y. So this is x, this is a actually. This length Pm is x plus a, and Pf is distance formula, applied distance formula. This is xy, this is a0. So in this way you derive this. So for other 4 cases you proceed in the same manner. I will not derive these things, only I will write down this. Alright. So for a, vertex is 0 0, focus is a0, this is a0, this is a0, axis is x axis, equation is y square equal to 4x. What is latus rectum? LL dash is latus rectum. What is this equation? This is parallel to y axis, so x equal to, this is a, x equal to a. So solve that this, so we get a to a minus 2a, this length is 4a. Similarly for b, or you can say a dash, the curve is like this. Instead of focus a0, if it is minus a0, so equation will be, alright. So this is directrix, that is directrix, the curve is described to right of directrix. If the curve is described to left of directrix, that means the line is here. So this like this. So equation will be y square equal to minus 4ax. Same thing. You can find yourself everything. When I summarize in the table, I will write everything. So then come to B. this is V dash equal, this is y axis, vertex is 0 0 and focus will be 0 A and V dash will be 0 minus A. This is your directrix D dash. Here also you can write down what is the equation of directrix. Here equation of first point, vertex, then focus, then axis, then equation, then latus rectum, then equation of directrix. This is a line parallel to y axis, this is A. From origin this is A. So x equal to minus A. Equation will be latus rectum equation x equal to A and this equation x equal to minus A. Alright. So these are the fundamental or dissection of this parabola, y square equal to 4x. Similarly for this equation I write vertex is 0 0, focus is 0 A, axis is y axis, here axis is x axis, here axis is y axis. So equation will be x square equal to 4ay. Then latus rectum, equation of latus rectum, equation of LR, this is x equal to A, this will be y equal to A, because this distance A parallel to x axis, this will be x axis. So endpoints will be, this is L dash. So this is actually 2A, this is A and this is minus 2A, this is A. Therefore endpoints will be, that is plus minus 2A, A. The same thing you can write this as A plus minus 2A. So length will be, that is 4A. Then equation of directrix. Here y equal to minus A, equal to x equal to minus A, y will be minus A. Clear? So this is y square equal to 4x, this is x square equal to 4ay. Similarly, if vertex is not origin, alright, so come to third case. I am just writing here, this is C. I think you have seen this, I am just changing, this is C. Here vertex is not origin, vertex is HK. Vertex is HK. Focus is obviously, this is A, this will be H plus A K. Focus will be H plus A K. Axis will be parallel to x axis because origin will be somewhere here. This is x axis, this is origin, this is y axis. So that this line is parallel to, this is not x axis, this is parallel to x axis. So here axis is parallel to x axis. So obviously if you proceed in the same manner, what you are getting? You are getting y minus k whole square equal to 4a x minus a. My dear students, so you have course up to standard form. These four cases constitute the standard form a, b, c, d. So y minus k whole square is 4x minus a. Latus same thing, latus rectum. Here what will be equation of latus rectum? It will be h plus a. Clear? This is a line. This length is, this distance is h plus a. So this is x equal to h plus a. And if you solve, this will be alright, h plus a, k plus 2a. This is h plus a, k plus minus 2a. Alright, that means this is h plus a, k plus 2a. This is h plus a, k minus 2a. Length is same thing, 4a. and equation directions will be obviously x equal to h minus a. This will be h minus a. Clear? If you proceed similarly, this is D and axis is here. This is x axis, this is origin, this is y axis. Proceed same manner, vertex is hk. This will be hk. Now this is not x axis, this is parallel to x axis. This axis is parallel to x axis. So axis of parabola is parallel to y axis. So equation will be x minus h whole square 4a y minus k. Equilateral will be y equal to c. This is lateral term. This is parallel to x axis. So y equal to constant. What is this length? This is h. This is h k plus a. So this will be y equal to k plus a. So this will be h plus minus 2a k plus a. This is for a. So this is h minus k minus a. This will be equation of directives will be h equal to k minus a. So these four cases constitute your equation of parabola in standard form. I am just giving you one table. My dear students, this is analytical mathematics. So you require to draw the figure and understand very systematically. You draw the figure, you write what is coordinate of vertex, what is focus. In each case, you write down, then you will come to problem. So after these four cases, I summarize everything in the form of a table. And that is third. This is your gist, you can say table. Equation of parabola, you can say vertex, focus, axis, you can say directrix, then latus rectum. So number one is y square equal to 4ax. So vertex is 0, 0. We write down first so comparing everything we can remember. So this is x square equal to 4ay. What is the third case? Third case will be y minus k whole square equal to 4a x minus h. Fourth one is x minus h whole square 4a y minus k. Well, like here vertex is 0, 0, here also vertex 0, 0, here vertex hk, here also vertex hk. What is focus? This is a0 and this is 0a. This is h plus a k. This is h k plus a. So axis is x axis. Its equation is y equal to 0. This axis is y axis. Its equation is x equal to 0. So this is parallel to x axis. So its equation will be what? That will be y equal to h. So this is parallel to y axis. So equation will be y equal to k. So that is, just remember, x plus x equal minus a. The equation is x equal to minus a. This is y equal to minus a. This is x equal to h minus a. This is y equal to k minus a. Latter term, its equation is x equal to a. Its endpoints, that is a plus minus 2a. Its length is 4a. So here equation is y equal to a. Endpoints, this is plus minus 2a, this is a, and length is 4a. So here equation will be x equal to h plus a, and endpoints will be h plus a, k plus minus 2a, and length is 4a. Here equation is y equal to k plus a, and endpoints will be that is h plus minus 2a, k plus a, and length will be 4a. If you draw the figure, these 4 cases, and practice everything, and if you can understand, you can write this of your own, then it is very clear, you understand it clearly. So now I will come to one problem, because I have to complete ellipse and hyperbola also. These 4 cases constitute the standard form of equation of parabola. Now let us come to one problem. I think you are clear. Next, come to problem. Now come to problem. Find vertex, focus, directrix, axis, equation, and length of latus rectum of the parabola, say x square plus 4x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. 2 is y square plus x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. In this way, suppose equation like this. So solution. So we have to convert this into standard form. You see, the equation is y square equal to 4ax, or y minus k whole square equal to 4a x minus h. Here x square equal to 4ay, or x minus h whole square equal to 4a y minus k. You see this equation. Here y square minus 2yk plus k square equal to 4a x minus 4a h. Actually, this is of the form ay square plus, see, here is y square x, this is constant term, say by plus cx plus d equal to 0. This is of this form. Similarly, this will be x square minus 2xh plus h square equal to 4ay minus 4ak. So algebraically this is of the form ax square plus bx plus cy plus d equal to 0. Actually, if you study it algebraically, the two equations are of this form. So when you get x square, how to convert this? This equation is x square plus 4x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. So this implies x square plus 4x equal to y minus 10. Implies you make it complete square. X square plus 4x, you add 4, this is y minus 10 plus 4. So this implies x plus 2 whole square equal to y minus 6. You can say 4 into 1 by 4 into y minus 6. That means this implies x plus 2 whole square equal to 4 into 1 by 4 y minus 6 of the form x minus h whole square equal to 4a y minus k. So this implies your h will be minus 2 and k will be 6 and a will be 1 by 4. Here axis of parabola is parallel to y axis. Clear? This one, this is axis x axis. Second one axis parallel to x axis. Third one, this is y axis, and fourth one y parallel to y axis. Alright. So y square 4ax, y minus k whole square 4a x minus h, x square 4ay x minus h whole square equal to 4a y minus k. So that means out of these four form, this equation is reduced to up to this form. So this is value of h k. So here axis is parabola is parallel to axis. So what you have written? What you have vertex? Vertex is hk. H is minus 2, k is 6. Then focus. Focus is here in this case h k plus a. This is h k plus a. This is minus 2, 6, a is 1 by 4. So that means minus 2. So 25 by 4. So after focus, then diet is already you have written. This is axis you have written. Diet is what is equation of diet is in this case? Diet is will be here lateral rectum. This vertex is hk and focus is hk plus a, and this is diet is. So in equation is x y equal to k plus a. This is y equal to k minus a. The y equal to k minus a implies y equal to k is 6 minus a is 1 by 4. So 24 minus 1, 23 by 4. That is 4y minus 23 equal to this is equation of diatrice. Then equation and length of lateral rectum. Lateral, what will be equation of lateral rectum? This is equation lateral rectum. Its equation will be y equal to k plus a, implies y equal to k is 6 plus 1 by 4. So this is 25 by 4. This that is 4y minus 25 equal to this is equation of lateral rectum. Endpoints of lateral rectum. Endpoints, what will be endpoints? This is h plus minus 2a k plus a. This is h plus minus 2a k plus a. My dear student, don't remember, understand and apply. H, this is hk, this is 2a, this is 2a, h minus 2a, h plus 2a, h minus 2a, y axis k plus a. So this is h, you put the values. So minus 2 plus minus 2a, what is a? 2a means 1 by 2, k plus a, k, what is k here? K is 6 and a is 1 by 4. You find the values and length will be, that is 4a, that is 4 into a is 1 by 4, that is 1. So similarly you can solve this. I am just giving you hints, you do it yourselves, right? So these 4 different forms you have to remember, understand, and any problem given you can convert that. Alright, suppose second case I am just telling you, you convert in this way. So this implies y square minus 4y minus x minus 5. So this implies y square minus 4y plus 4, this minus x minus 5 plus 4. So this minus x minus 1. So this implies y minus 2 whole square. If you take minus common, x plus 1, you can say 4 into minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 implies y minus 2 the whole square. Actually this is, so here h is minus 1, k is 2 and a is minus 1 by 4, and here axis is obviously this axis is parallel to this, which form? Axis is parallel to y axis. So find the corresponding values and put here. Alright, even crude forms, simple forms. Let us take a simple problem from parabola. Find equation of a parabola where length of lateral rectum equal to 4, axis is y axis and focal length equal to 2a. Here axis y axis means parabola is in this way. Alright, axis is y axis, so therefore vertex is obviously 0 0. Focal length is given as 2a. Focal length means this is focus, this is directrix, this whole length is focal length. Distance of focus from directrix, if this is 2a, this a will be obviously a, and this is focal length, suppose is given as 4. Find equation of parabola where length of lateral rectum 4, axis of is y axis, focal length is 4. So same thing, 4a is 4 means you can find it not necessary, this data is not necessary, where length of lateral rectum is 4. Here 4a is 4 implies a equal to 1. So vertex is 0 0, focus will be 0a, that means 0 1. अतः equation will be y square equal to 4ax. This is x square equal to 4ay, sorry, this one. So equation will be x square equal to 4ay. This one is y square equal to 4ax, and this is x square equal to 4ay. A is given, axis is already given as y axis, so x square equal to 4ay. So this implies x square, 4a is given as 4, so 4y. This will be simple cases you can practice. There are a lot of worked out examples in your textbook, and after working it, the worked out problems, you move to the exercise and work out the problems. You first, my advice, you draw these 4 figures and write what are the coordinates of vertex, focus, write down equation of lateral rectum, write down endpoints of lateral rectum, write equation of axis, write equation of directrix in each of the 4 cases. If you understand properly, there is no need of worrying, you can do the problems, any type of problem given, you can work it out. Again my advice, my dear students, work out as many as number of problems you can do, because these concepts will be understood if you work out sufficient number of problems. Thank you. Next come to ellipse. First is an ellipse is a conic for which eccentricity is less than 1. Which other definition is an ellipse is a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that the sum of its distances from the two foci, actually this is plural of focus, there are two foci, is a constant. Just I am showing this. This is an ellipse. Here is one focus f1, other focus f2. If you take any point here, all right, this is center. So P f1 plus P f2 equal to constant, say 2a. So that means this implies if you take any point Q. So for example, let us say this is point 0.8, suppose this is 0.8. So if you take a Q another point, so Q f1 plus Q f2, that will be same thing as 0.8. Alright. If you take any point on the curve, sum of distance of the point from the two foci is a constant. That means if you take a point here also, R, actually distance means this modulus refers to distance. So and this is Rf1 plus Rf2 will be same thing as 0.8. That means this is constant. This constant. Actually, we have, my dear students, all over all mathematicians, we take a standard form. We use the same notation so that we can exchange our views. We always take this as 2a. If we take this 2a, so equation will be x square plus y square, x square by a square plus y square b square equal to a square plus y square b square equal to 1. Alright. So this distance is taken as 2a. I will come to know an ellipse and explain everything in detail. This is major axis, how this is minor axis, this length is 2a, this length is 2b. I will come to that. But this definition part you get it clear. If there are two foci, singular is focus, plural foci. There are two foci. If you take any point on the curve, sum of its distances from two foci is always a constant. So Pf1 plus Pf2, suppose 0.8. So because this eccentricity is always less than 1. Suppose this is constant 2a or anything, any. So if you take another point Q, Qf1 plus Qf2 equal to same thing 0.8. Rf1 plus Rf2 same thing 0.8. So that is definition of ellipse, and this definition of ellipse, that will lead you to find equation of the ellipse in standard form. Before I go to equation, let us come to next part, know an ellipse. this is center. So here C equal to known as center of the ellipse, F1, F2, 2 foci, plural of focus, each is a focus. So mod F1, F2, this is focal length, and we take this as 2a. So then A dash C A, this is known as major axis. Sorry, this is major. This we take 2A, not this. This is 2C. We take 2C. So this is A dash A. This length. This is length of major axis. Actually, A dash A is known as major axis. Then B dash C B. This is known as minor axis, and this will be up to B. So B dash B is length of minor axis. Actually this will be of length to B. Length will be, this will be of 2A. This will be up to C. Then this is directrix. D dash D1 dash. So D dash and D1 dash are two directrixes. Singular is directrix. Then L F1 L dash, L1 F2 L1 dash are two latera recta. Singular latus rectum. Actually in parabola you had one latus rectum, but here there are two lateral recta. Alright. So these are different parts of a parabola. This is complete dissection of an ellipse. Sorry, this is complete dissection of an ellipse. This is center. This is major axis. This is minor axis. These are two foci. You can say A dash are vertices. Here A dash A are two vertices. Singular is vertex. But here B and B dash are termed as endpoints of minor axis. Endpoints of major axis are termed as vertices. Each is a vertex. But here no single term. Same thing you can say endpoints of minor axis. So these are fundamental concept of an ellipse. So let us find equation of ellipse. Same thing, just imagine what the four cases I have taught in case of parabola. Same here, axis will be x axis, n axis will be y axis, center is 0 0, then center will be hk. Four cases, center hk and this is C means H plus C, H minus C. So in other case, if axis of major axis y axis, major axis x axis and major axis y axis. Case number 1, major axis is x axis. Case number 2, major axis y axis, in this way. Case number 3, major axis parallel to x axis. Case number 4, major axis parallel to y axis. These 4 cases. I am drawing figure, writing everything and doing the table, so that it will be easier to understand. All right. So here, see, this is the figure I am drawing. This center L, F, L dash. Let us say F, let's say F1, F2, LF, L dash, L1, F2, A dash A, B dash B. This is 0, 0. So here center is 0, 0. This is focus. F1 is C0. F2 is minus C0. Alright. So equation will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and this is a0, this is minus a0, this is 0b, this is 0 minus b. Alright. So this is major axis is here, x axis, endpoints A is a0, a dash is minus a0, and length will be a dash a, that is 2a. Alright. Then minor axis. Minor axis is y axis. This is y axis. Actually, this is x axis. Alright. So this is minor axis. So again, endpoints B will be 0b, b dash will be 0 minus b, and the length will be b dash b, that is 2b. Then latus rectum. Latus rectum, it is parallel to y axis. So endpoints L will be, this is C, b square by a. This will be. So my dear students, so I have to complete ellipse hyperbola in this short span of time, so be quick. So actually center is 0, 0, I am revising everything. Center is 0, 0, focus is C0 minus C0, this is C0, this is minus C0. x square by a square, y square b square equal to 1, where b square equal to, actually this is 2a, this is 2c. A is here, in this case a is greater than c. So, this is a square minus c square, you just remember this. Then endpoints of lateral rectum, sorry, major axis. This is major axis, this is a0, this is minus a0, this length is 2a. Similarly, this length is 2b, 0b, 0 minus b, this length is 2b. Lateral rectum, c b square by a, l dash will be c minus b square by a, L1 is minus c b square by a, L1 dash will be c minus b square by a. Length will be LL dash or L1 dash, this is 2b square by a. How to get this b square by a? Actually, equation of curve is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. What is equation of major axis? This is actually x axis. Its equation is y equal 0. So, if you solve this, you get x square equal to a square. So, this implies x equal to plus minus a, therefore, this is a0, this is minus a0. Similarly, to find this equation of curve, for this finding a dash, we solve this equation and this equation. Now, to find L dash coordinates, we solve equation of curve and this equation is x equal to c, this is x equal to minus c. So, x square by, so this is x equal to plus minus c, then this equation. When you solve, you get y equal to plus minus b square by a. Alright. So, when you solve this, in place of x, you write c square by a square plus y square b square equal to 1, and solving you get y equal plus minus b square by a. Therefore, I have written this. So, clear? Center, foci, major axis, minor axis, lateral rectum. Diatrice, there are two diatrices, x equal to, this is parallel to y x equal to a square by c or a by e. So, similarly, x equal to minus a square by c or minus a by e. So, you have this complete dissection of this ellipse, x square by a square plus y square b square equal to 1. I will draw the other three figures and write this, and you just in this way proceed in this way, so that you should understand this by heart before doing any problem. So, I am coming to case B, doing just case B, case C. Alright, here center will be, so equation is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. First case is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is second case, this is case A. So, here this is 0a, this is 0 minus a, this is b0, this is minus b0, this is center is 0 0, so this is center is 0 0, so focus this is 0 C, this is 0 minus C. Alright. So major axis A is 0 A dash is 0 minus A. So A dash A, this major axis, this is 2A. Similarly, minor axis B, B0, B dash, alright, minus B0. Clear? So length is B dash B, this is 2B. So similarly, this is latus rectum. This will be all, see, this is B square by A, this C, minus B square by C. This is B square by A minus C. This is minus B square by A minus. You do it yourself. Then come to C. C is in this way. So here center is HK, here center is 0 0, in that case center is 0 0. Here axis is major axis, so for F1 this is H plus C K, F2 H minus C K. So major axis, so A is H plus A K, A dash is H minus A K. So this implies A dash A 2A equal to major axis. So similarly, B will be H, this is K plus B, B dash H K minus B. This implies B B dash is 2B. This is minor axis. So similarly, L will be, so this is H plus C K plus B square by A. This is H plus C K minus B square by A. This is H minus C K plus B square by A. This is H minus C K minus B square by A. Followed? So similarly, you write yourself, and length of latus rectum will be 2B square by A. I have written everything here. So similar directrix. So this X will be H plus A square by C. This X equal to H minus A square by C, or H minus A by E, or H plus A by E, because E equal to C by A. Alright. So this is third one, and last one is C is HK, this is F1, this is F2, L F1, L dash, L1 F2, L1 dash. So here, so what is equation here? Equation I have not written down. Equation is, in this case, is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. This is equation of ellipse in this case. But in this case, x minus h whole square by b square plus y minus k whole square by a square equal to 1. What are the four forms? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. X minus h whole square by b square plus y minus k whole square by a square equal to 1. These 4 cases, same thing. Here you can find the same way. So this is all about ellipse. Then I will quickly come to hyperbola, because that is the last one. So all the coordinates I have written down. Similarly, you find the coordinates. This is actually a dash, this is a, this is b, this is b dash. The similar pattern you can find out. Now very quickly let us come to hyperbola. Clear? Similarly, here see the, so here is greater than 1. Second, it is locus of a point which moves in a plane, so that if you take any point here, Pf1 minus Pf2, this modulus equal to constant, you say 2sa. Alright, so C is center, F1, F2 are two foci, alright, A dash, A, this is transverse, this is vertices or endpoints of transverse axis. Your A dash A is known as transverse axis and B dash B is known as conjugate axis. Actually, you see, in case of ellipse, here the curve intersect here and here. X axis, suppose the first case, standard case, this is x axis, this is A dash. Y axis also intersects here, B dash B. So this is minor axis, this is major axis, but here Y axis never intersect the curve. But if you solve algebraically, you are finding some imaginary points. So therefore, those imaginary points are known as your conjugate axis. This length will be 2a and this length will be 2b, where c square equal to, your b square equal to c square minus a square, because this is 2a, a dash a is 2a, here c is greater than a, but here a is greater than c in case of ellipse, in case of this hyperbola. Alright, similarly equations will be, first case center x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, where b square equal to c square minus a square. Here the curve is, this is case 1, center is 0 0, this is a0, this is minus a0, this is 0 b, 0 minus b, this foci, this is C0, this is minus C0, alright. So, length of latus rectum will be L dash or L1 dash, again that will be 2b square by a. Proceed in case of ellipse in the same manner as you proceeded and found that the coordinates. Here in this case, this is C b square by a, this will be C minus b square by a, this will be minus C b square by a, this is minus C minus b square by a. Similarly, case number 2 will be y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. Here the hyperbola is like this. This is f1, this is f2, this is center, again 0 0, this is L1, this is LL dash, and this is L1 dash. So, this is A, this is A dash, again this is B dash. You proceed same manner. So, length of lateral again will be 2b square by, same thing. Here this is the equation where b square equal to c square minus a square. Otherwise same, you find similarly. As you did here, you do this. Other two cases I am just doing the figure, only 2 minutes. This is C case C, the curve is like this. Here C is HK. Here x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k by whole square b square equal to 1. Same thing, length of lateral rectum will be 2b square by a. Here this is h plus c k. So, h plus c k plus b square by a, h plus c k minus b square by a. Here h plus c k, this is h minus c k plus b square by a, this is h minus c k minus b square by a. You do it yourself. Last case is this one. Here the curve is like this. This is again HK, this is A dash, again B dash, L, F1, L dash, L1, F2, L1 dash. Just I am writing this is like 2b square. So, H, this is HK, H plus b square by a, k plus c, H minus b square by a, k plus c. This is H plus b square by a, k minus c. This is h minus b square by a, k minus. Same thing, length of lateral will be 2b square by a. LL dash will be 2b square by a. Lastly, I advise all of you, my dear students, you draw the 4 figures in case of parabola, in case of ellipse, in case of hyperbola, and write these coordinates very systematically. Due to want of time, I am not going in detail, but these are the 4 cases like ellipse. I have drawn one table in case of parabola. You can draw a table for ellipse and also for hyperbola, and there are lot of worked out problems in your textbook, lot of problems, you work it out, alright. So, that is all for conic. that is parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, these are conics. Circle also a degenerated conic, that also I have covered. Thank you all.